Hello there and welcome to Key Stage 3 Maths Assessment. This is a non-calculator test, so please do not use a calculator. You've got 40 mixed reasoning questions here, so please do try your best, and in our next class we'll follow it up in detail. But before we do that, let's have a look at the first question together. Let's see what we can do here. So what number multiplied by 4 equals 76? So we know that the opposite of multiplication is division. So let's just do a basic division of 76 divided by 4. So 4 goes into 7 once. Remainder is 3. 4 goes into 36 9 times. So 4 times 19 is going to be 76. So you've got various questions here. So please do take your time and have a look one by one. And good luck, and see you in the class when we'll follow these up in a lot more detail. Take care. Thank you.